Real talk, just rap pack. Besides that, nobody I trust.
Back again like I never left. Young Sinatra, that's to the death. We turned up till we go deaf. Rap pack to my last breath. I cut records like Kid Cudi. Day and night, that's all the time.
Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. By the day I'm posting this is probably Sunday, so happy Sunday to all of you guys. So today I'm actually going to be working on a hoodie for one of my customers. In my last video I actually made a shirt for this company called Rogue Imports, so you guys can check that out after this, but I am going to continue on making their hoodie for them today. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on that a little bit today. And then I'm also going to be working on this white long sleeve that I actually designed myself. So I don't have any white long sleeves right now, so I'm gonna go out. I haven't ate yet, so I'm gonna go out, grab some food, pick up a white shirt, maybe a few blank black shirts, and then just work with those today when I get back. But yeah, I just uploaded my last video right here on YouTube, so that's up right now. And then I'll go ahead and show you guys in Photoshop what I've been working on. So this is kind of a template of what I'm gonna be doing for my white long sleeve. You guys probably know my Mint logo already. A lot of people actually like that logo, so this white long sleeve was a little bit different, but now I actually went ahead and changed it up, and I like it how it's like this. And then I'm gonna go ahead and work on the back, and I love how Mint Collective sounded, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this. You're gonna see my logo again as well on the top, and then Collective, and then established in 2016. Yeah, so there you guys go. You guys can see what I'll be working on today. It's awesome how I can take something into Photoshop and make it come alive. And yeah, that's the greatness of creating something. So the definition for collective is done by people acting as a group. So for me, even though yeah I'm by myself and this is my clothing line, I'm the only one working on this clothing line, I feel like you guys and my friends and my family are always there to support me in what I do, and I feel like you guys are the reason why I push to get these out, and you guys, you subscribers, are the reason why I do this, and I've seen growth. So I just want to say thank you, because without you guys I wouldn't have that push to keep going and never quit. So I just want to thank you guys for that. And if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because that really helps me out. My goal by the end of this year of 2018 is to actually reach 1,000 subscribers. And oh yeah, before I forget, as I mentioned my subscriber count, when I do reach 500, I was actually going to do a giveaway, and this is the perfect chance to let you guys know, because I'm going to be working on my very first line of t-shirts. I also do have hats on their way as well, so my first launch is gonna be one shirt and one hat. So let me start with this giveaway. So the giveaway is, if I do reach 500 subscribers, I will be choosing about 5 winners, and I will be making a video about the giveaway and have my subscribers comment on that video, and I'll choose out of 5 people to win some of my clothing. That's gonna be awesome. So that's really gonna help me grow, and if you do want some free gear, you guys have a chance to win as well. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And the only rules I have for this giveaway is you have to be subscribed, and sorry if you are a friend, a personal friend to me, you will not be able to enter this giveaway. It's just because I want to keep this fair. So yeah, so those are pretty much the rules. But yeah, stay tuned for that. I won't forget when I do reach 500. I feel like I can reach it within the next month or 2 months or whenever. But when I do reach it, I will be doing that giveaway. So be on the lookout for that. Stay subscribed. I do weekly videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this contest, and I look forward to choosing some winners. So, alright, so right now I am just gonna go grab some food and pick up some shirts, and then I'll be back here to work on some of the clothing. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, what is up? I am back at home with the shirts. My roommate's sleeping. So instead I picked up 2 black tees and 1 white tee as well. I didn't get any long sleeves because because I thought about it, and summer is actually coming up, and I do want to launch my shirts somewhere in May or June, and by that time it's gonna be a lot more hotter here in San Diego. So I thought about it, and I'm just going to start with shirts, and then maybe when winter comes or fall, I can go ahead and launch some long sleeves and maybe some hoodies for you guys. But that's not for another few months. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start with some t-shirts. Same design, but just on t-shirts. I'm gonna work on 1 black and 1 white tee for myself today for my clothing line for the Collective series, and then later on I'll be working on Rogue Imports and their order for their hoodies. I'm just gonna go ahead and work on them real quick, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys the final designs once I get done with them, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so I've loaded my vinyl. As you can see, it's working right now. My design's in the studio, and then the next step is just to heat press the shirt, get it on there, and then we'll have a final product. Alright, so the vinyl is done cutting. Now I just have to take out the excess vinyl, and then we'll go ahead and heat press it. But right now I'll go ahead and show you guys how I use this tool, this hook tool, to take out the excess so you guys can try it out at home. But yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, there we go guys. So we have our design and all of the excess is off. Now be careful with small lettering. With small letters, I've noticed that it's pretty easy to come off, so you don't want the transfer paper. So be very gentle when you're doing small lettering like that. But if you guys notice that it is reversed, I reversed it in the project in the studio because here's the sticky part, and when I flip it over and have the vinyl going onto the shirt, it's gonna have the actual design. So there's Mint Collective, established in 2016, and then the other mint that's going on the back. Cool. So hope you guys learned, hope you guys took something out of this, and now I'm gonna go ahead and go on to the heat press. Alright, so I went ahead and layered, I went ahead and put down my first design right there. I used the 4-finger rule to measure it, and then I just aligned it with the polo right here, or the collar, so it goes down like that. And I kind of used my crew neck as a reference. This was my very first one that I actually ever made, and a lot of people are telling me they like it, so I want to do more of this. So this one but this one is just a normal black tee that I'll be rocking, and then I'll be making a white tee with black lettering as well today. So yeah, so that's how I do it. I kind of just eyeball it, but you know, I just make sure it's aligned properly, and then the sticky part just sticks on, and then we'll just go ahead and heat press this, do that, and then we'll do the back after. All right, so it looks like it's ready to peel. Boom. There we go. And then I'll go ahead and let that cool down, and then we'll be moving on to the back side. There we go. So I'll go ahead and peel off this first. You guys want to make sure you guys peel this off really slow. Because you don't want anything to come off during the process. Just like that. Cool. Go ahead and take it off and let it cool down. Alright, it's getting kind of late, but I went ahead and finished this first shirt. There is the front logo, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys the back. I really like this part actually. And there we go. So that's what the back looks like. It says Mint Collective, established in 2016. And 2016 is actually when I bought mintclothingline.com. So I do have that domain, and yeah, I don't have anything on my website just yet because I'm still, you know, in the process of making shirts. But there is my final product for my shirt. I'm not gonna film this one, but I am going to make this one, this white shirt, the same exact thing, and in black lettering. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this shirt in the comments below. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. So it is getting pretty late, so I am going to end this video here. Remember guys, don't forget about the giveaway. If this is your first time watching my video, if this is your first time on my channel, and you guys are not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I will be giving out some gear like you see in this video to 5 winners when I do reach 500 subscribers. So if you guys can do me a favor by, you know, spreading the message and sharing this video among your friends. If you guys have Facebook, please go ahead and share it. That would be awesome. And who knows, you might even win some free gear. So be on the lookout within these next couple months. If you guys liked this video, please go ahead and give me that thumbs up down there. There we go, thank you for that. And if you guys have any more questions or comments about my clothing line, please go ahead and leave some comments in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button one more time, and the bell notification to notify you guys when I do upload a new video. I do upload every Sunday, so you guys can stay tuned to that every Sunday at 11 a.m. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and remember, it's all about the journey. Peace.